Hi everyone. After forced retirement, I learned to live simple and save money. Here is how I make quick, budget-friendly fried rice. Hi, my name is Karen. I'm Chinese Vietnamese living in Canada. I'm doing other things. Turn on the heat the wok. I usually turn on the fan, but right now I'm recording, so I'm not turning on the fan. First, I put in the garlic. This is my simple meal after forced retirement. I'm just making this very quickly. So first I put in the garlic to let it brown a bit. Maybe I need a little bit more oil. Any type of oil. I'm using olive oil. And I'll put in the rice. I always have leftover rice. Better to use leftover rice. Very simple. Just so cook the rice, and then I have some mixed vegetables here. Frozen mixed vegetables. Lots of it. So this is my for those of you who prefer softer vegetables, you can steam like for a couple of minutes before you dump it here. But for me, I'm okay with this. Some people prefer softer, but for me, I'm okay. So I just medium heat. Yeah, medium heat. And a bit of black pepper. Stir and another bit of oil because I want to put the egg. I have one egg here. I'm putting the egg in the middle. Nice and colorful, right? So now I'm just mixing everything together with the egg. It depends how much you want. You can always double the amount. For me, that's enough for one and a half serving. So I can just turn off the heat. And I don't eat much sodium, so I'm just a bit of soy sauce. Any type of soy sauce. Depends how much. It's optional, up to you how much you want to put. I'll just put it all here. Yeah, a few drops of soy sauce and we're good to go. Yeah, and I'm just gonna pour it here. Actually, I can eat it all today. So I have like colorful, right? I have carbs, protein is the egg, and vegetables. Very nice. Simple, cheap, and tasty. Cooking at home helps me to save money. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.